up, OldSols fam? It's Sunday, my day off, so I get to do Del Sol stuff. Today, we're going to be installing this Skylerlabs Targa Latch. I don't even have one. Like, it's just gone. So that'll be good to get that guy on there and have it looking good in there. So small little project, but I just wanted to show you how this goes on. So let's get into it. All right, so just like all of Skylerlabs products, it is hard aluminum. These things are just solid, so nice, last forever, don't have to worry about anything. Got the little Skylerlabs logo, had them put OldSols on here, laser etched, 2 screws. There's a little bolt and washer inside there. That's it, guys. These things are fire, and I don't mind spending the money on it because they're going to last forever. So I really like all this stuff. Mario does a great job. Like so. Wait a minute. There, like that. The magnets will do the trick with that. That looks pretty good. So that's exactly where it goes, right in there. And then you're just gonna screw it in. That's so easy. There's nothing to it. 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 lugs. Done.